Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to talk about our new and improved MailerLite plugin for WooCommerce. With this update, we've got enhanced accessibility features, a new wizard tool to help you get set up, and an updated UX featuring MailerLite's very own brand aesthetic. Let's get to it. For those of you that are new to the plugin, there are a couple of ways to access it. First is from MailerLite's integrations page, which we've linked in the description. Head over to the search bar and type in WooCommerce. Then, in the options that populate, select WooCommerce. From there, you'll see the steps listed out for installing the plugin. The other way to access it is from the Plugins window in your WordPress dashboard. Select Plugins, then Add New. Once again, head to the search bar and type MailerLite and click on the one that says MailerLite WooCommerce Integration. Once you find it, hit Install and then hit Activate. From there, you'll be able to find the plugin in your left side navigation bar nested within the WooCommerce plugin as MailerLite. You can also find it in your installed plugins. Click into the plugin settings and you'll notice that you need to connect your MailerLite account with an API key. To get the API key, head over to your MailerLite integrations page in the left navigation bar. From there, at the top of the window, you'll see MailerLite API. Click Use. From there, click on Generate New Token and give your token a name. We'll call this one WooCommerce Integration so we know what it's being used for. Check the box below, then hit Create Token. Copy the token, then go back to the WooCommerce MailerLite integration window. Once there, paste in the token and click Connect Account. Once connected, we need to connect the integration to one of our subscriber groups within MailerLite. Any subscribers that sign up through WooCommerce will be added to this group. You can also create a new group that you want subscribers added to. Let's create one called WooCommerce. Once you get the success message at the top, hit Start Import. You'll be brought to the MailerLite synchronization settings window. Notice the connected label at the top. This means that your MailerLite and WooCommerce accounts are currently connected. If you go back to MailerLite, you'll be able to see the newly created group that we made within the integration. From your MailerLite dashboard, go to Subscribers, click on Groups, and you'll see the newly created group at the top. Now, from your synchronization settings page within the integration, you can control how the integration will work. From the top of the page, you can change the group that subscribers are added to, or create a new group. You can select which products should be ignored from MailerLite's e-commerce automations. By clicking Go to Your Products, click on Quick Edit on the product you want to be ignored, and click Ignore Product. Back at the synchronization settings window, you can check whether or not you want to allow unsubscribes to resubscribe via the checkout page. Below that, you can check whether or not you want to add a field for your subscribers to denote their language. This could be useful if you want the option to send the emails in their preferred language. Below that, you'll see the Synchronize Store button. This will synchronize categories, products, and consumer data that hasn't been submitted to MailerLite yet. Below that, we have the checkout settings. This is an essential element that allows customers to receive the store's marketing emails, such as abandoned cart automations, newsletters, and more. Under General Settings, we have Double Opt-in, which sends subscribers a confirmation email prior to adding them to your list. This ensures that you are getting a subscriber who really does want to hear from you, which is great for deliverability. You can also find a checkbox to enable the pop-up forms that you've created in your MailerLite account. This is really beneficial because the pop-up forms are added automatically to your website, saving you the hassle of adding them manually. Lastly, you'll find a box to enable automatic plugin updates, which is highly recommended so your integration is always up to date with the newest features and improvements. At the very bottom, we have a Reset Integration button, and this might be useful if you want to connect a different MailerLite account to your WooCommerce store. If you're migrating from MailerLite Classic to the new MailerLite, you'll have to reset your Classic API connection to the plugin in order to connect the new API key from the new MailerLite. And if you are a MailerLite Classic user, you can still use the plugin with the API key from your Classic account, but you'll need to include the consumer key and consumer secret during the plugin setup. And that's about all there is to it. It might feel a bit overwhelming the first time you set it up, but once it's done, you're good to go. Thanks for checking out this tutorial. Remember to like and subscribe if you haven't already for more great content. I'll see you in the next one.